Hello friends, welcome to VR Info News Update today. Floods in Assam, India. 6 people are dead, 3.5 lakhs people are affected as Assam flood situation worsens. 3 people died in Kacha, 2 in Hailakandi and 1 in Karbi Anglong, taking the total death toll to 12 due to floods, rain and storms in the state since May 2024. The flood situation in Assam deteriorated on Friday as 6 people died and over 3.5 lakh people remained affected in 11 districts, while road and rail communication was disrupted following rainfall in the aftermath of cyclone Rimal, officials said.